Hello friends, today we will learn strange facts about the butterflies and we'll see the top 10 butterflies of the world. These butterflies are rich in color and fabulous in shape. As these are having incredible shapes and colors, they are having fabulous realities too. A human mind can't approach all of their specialities, but some of rarely known are such as in fact, their features, their characteristics, and their appearance all are incredibly quite fabulous. So let's know some of fun facts about the butterflies. Butterflies taste with their feet because their taste buds are located on their toes. Butterflies do not have mouths because their facial features are located on different parts of its body. Like their taste sensors are located on their legs, their taste buds on their toes, and their eyes on their wings, and they smell through their antennas. Butterflies need sun to fly because they have natural connection with the floral bloom and sunrise. When the sun arises, the flowers bloom. So it's the shining sun and the fragrance of the flowers which attracts the butterflies. Butterflies can see red, green and yellow colors because these are the radiant colors and they attract the butterflies more. They have antennas that help them to see and smell. Female butterflies are bigger than male butterflies. Not only the bigger one but also the great one in work because they are more smart and more active than the male butterflies. Male painted ladies have smaller abdomens than females. The tiny scales attached to butterfly wings give the wings their color and shape. Painted lady butterflies see more patterns, a wider range of colors, and more shades of green than people do. Now let's know some special features of monarch butterfly. Monarch butterflies have wings that have unique colors and patterns. The monarch's bright color means that the monarch is dangerous to eat. The monarch can lay 400 eggs. According to a survey, a monarch can give more than 1000 eggs within a week. It lays eggs on a milkweed leaf. The caterpillar eats its own egg and sheds the skin. Caterpillar develops by eating milkweed leaves. Monarch butterflies smell and taste with their antennas and legs, which are covered with sensory cells called chemoreceptors. These chemoreceptors help monarch find milkweed to lay eggs on it. A monarch is the special butterfly which is having more than 100 eyes on its wings. On the top 10 chart of the best butterflies, blue marfo is ranked on second number. Let's find out what are the distinctive qualities of blue marfo. The blue marfo butterfly can also be considered to be one of the biggest butterflies. This butterfly is a tropical butterfly found in Central and South America. The distinctive quality of the caterpillars is that they don't want to be distributed. Now let's see the top most beautiful and rarely found butterflies of the world. Its eyes on the wings and taste buds under the toes is its specialty. On second number is the amber phantom butterfly. Its transparent wings and eyes on the wings is its distinctive quality. Amber phantom is having more than 100 kinds. On third number is the butterfly, its name is 88. You can see the digits 88 are written on its wing. It's its specialty and distinctive quality. This butterfly is called peacock butterfly or peacock wing butterfly. Its name is due to the peacock pattern on its wings. This butterfly is also having a large variety of colors and shapes. It is the zebra butterfly. Zebra butterfly is most rarely found butterfly. It is also having a large variety of colors and shapes, and you can see the zebra pattern on its wings. This is the owl-eye butterfly. You can see the owl-eye pattern on its wings. This butterfly is also having a large variety of colors and shapes, but the same pattern is on every color and shade. Now comes the giant butterfly. It is also known as tailed butterfly. This butterfly is also having a variety of shapes and shades. In its variety of shapes and shades, blue color is commonly found. This butterfly is known as white tree. It is mostly found in black and white color. It is also having a large variety of sizes and shapes, but white and black color is mostly seen on its wings. Now comes bird-winged butterfly. Its name is due to the patterns on its wings. The patterns on its wings resembles with the patterns on birds' wings. It is the red rose butterfly. It is also having a distinctive quality of colors, patterns, and shapes. Harlequin moth. It is the most special butterfly which is rarely found in South African countries. It is also having a large variety of colors, patterns, and shapes. Okay friends, these were the details about rarely found butterflies of the world. Hopefully you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching it.